Morning everyone, hope you're doing well. It is 9:20. Just took Luna out for a walk. It is windy. Blows the cobwebs out, but the skies are so pretty, that's why I had to show you before they all got blown away. It's supposed to get really cold later, dropping about 20 odd degrees, and snow on the weekend. Now there's a car, when I went out the front to get the recyclable bin, there's a car sitting out front with its engine running. I don't know about you guys, but whenever there's a car outside my house, just sitting there, someone in it just sitting there and the car's running, I get very dubious and I keep an eye on them. I remember once, it was actually the night before we were leaving for England, police came knocking on the door saying, "Did you hear anything?" I said, "What do you mean?" "Well, there's been a break-in 2 doors down." I'm like, "Oh no, have you been home all day?" I said, "Yeah, but I didn't notice anything." Someone had broken in through the basement window and stolen a lot of their stuff. During the day, when they were at work, another good reason I work from home, but it makes me very nosy because I'm like, what are you doing? All right, better edit the vlog. It seems quite long from yesterday, even though I didn't do that much. But Madam's playing. You liked it outside? She was running. A leaf was going like this. She jumped up and caught it. It was so cute. I wish I'd had the camera, but yesterday, I don't know if I told you, she knocked the camera right out of my hand and it fell to the, yeah, I think I did. Fell to the ground. No damage or anything, but it was just like, yeah, not taking it out today. The cuteness will have to come when it's not me holding her, because she's quite strong when she runs and tugs. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I am off to the yearbook meeting. I just had Luna out. Hopefully she'll be a good girl. She's in her pen. Who knows? She doesn't like it, so who knows what she'll do. I want to just find a fun song for my 2-minute drive. It's not even 2 minutes. Oh, I do like this. Maroon 5. All right guys, we'll see you after the meeting. It's blooming chilly because it's so windy. See how windy it is? It's blowing everything into the road. There's garbage cans everywhere. But it does look pretty. I'm just about to leave the school. School's behind me. Just finished the meeting. Not many kids showed up. Had about 9. So I think we're going to have to start making announcements again. But yeah, it's a windy one. I'll leave her out of my shot. Thank you. Funny thing is, looking at the trees. Oh, I guess if you look over there, they are moving. It barely looks like they're moving, but they're moving like crazy. Never got my picture of the clock tower that I normally take, but it was so windy that I didn't want to get my phone out in case it blew out of my hand, especially after yesterday. Asher's gone down the road to visit with a friend, have some pizza, and we're here, aren't we? Luna was a naughty girl today, but she's going to be good now, aren't you? What's in your eye? There you go. I look after you. I got you. She looks up at me like, Pete's doing some stuff in there. He had to go to a wake on his way home, which is never fun. I didn't know. It's one of his work colleagues, his father. I'm going to have steak for dinner. You know that word now. You've had yours. Oh dear, she knows that word now. And I'm going to have baked potato with it. So I'm going to do that in a little bit. What time is it? We don't know. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 7:29.
Oh, 7:29. It's around 8 o'clock. I'll put the oven on. Preheat. I'm just watching some classic curry. All right, guys. I'll talk to you in a bit. Pete. Pete. Strange girl.
Yeah. Trying to find a
Guys, I went to video and I took a picture of myself with the flash and I was, oh, I'm awake. Anyway, it's 10:15. Gosh, it's cold in the bedroom. I'm going to go and sit and watch a show or two. Yearbook meeting went well, like I said, but not too many kids showed up. I think they're all getting ready because I got the midterms next week, so there's no meeting next week. But Pete and I just had dinner. We had steak, baked potato, and I had some salad. And it was very good and I'm very full. But I'm going to sit now. It is cold in here. Gosh, it was so warm downstairs. But anyway, I'm going to go. So I'm going to love and leave you for this evening. Love there. Hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. Whatever it is you did today, I hope it was a good one. And we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Good night, guys.